How to fix this interaction failed error in Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, in the search bar in your PC, search %app data %. Press on enter or click on %app data % at the top. Then search for Discord in here. Click on it and click on delete on your keyboard, which will delete it. After it's deleted, if it still does not fix your problem, simply search Windows Security or Virus and Threat Protection. In here, scroll down and click on Virus and Threat Protection Settings, Manage Settings. After you're in the Manage Settings, turn off Real-Time Protection. After you've turned off real-time protection on the left side, click on Firewall and Network Protection. In here, you'll find Public Network. Click on Public Network, which will open this page. After that, turn off Microsoft Defender and you're good to go. This is how to fix this interaction failed error in Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.